Have you ever wondered how China's giant cast iron woks are actually made? While most modern factories have been replaced by automated machines, some traditional foundries in China still rely on casting techniques that have survived for hundreds of years. Inside these workshops, filled with smoke, dust, and glowing fire, skilled workers continue crafting massive cast iron woks weighing hundreds of kilograms, using ancient handmade methods that have barely changed over time. Everything begins with enormous sand molds, shaped entirely by hand. Workers carefully compress layer after layer of sand, so the mold can withstand the extreme heat of molten iron. And with just one small mistake, the entire mold could crack apart instantly. Next, the iron is heated inside giant furnaces at temperatures exceeding 1,500 degrees Celsius. As the metal melts into a river of glowing liquid fire, the entire workshop becomes unbearably hot. Tons of molten iron are then transported to the casting area, and this is also the most dangerous stage of the entire process. The glowing molten metal is poured into the giant mold within only a few minutes. Sparks explode into the air, thick heat and smoke fill the workshop, and even the smallest mistake could lead to a serious accident. After many hours of cooling, workers begin breaking apart the sand mold to reveal the enormous cast iron wok hidden inside. But surprisingly, the process is still far from over. The surface of the wok must then be ground, polished, and finished entirely by hand to remove excess iron and imperfections. Some of these giant woks are so large that several workers are needed just to move them. What fascinates many people the most is, what are these giant woks actually used for? Today, they are still commonly found in large restaurants, industrial kitchens, and traditional food markets across China. Even in the age of modern technology, this ancient casting industry continues to survive, thanks to its durability, heat retention, and craftsmanship that machines still struggle to replace. In today's video, we're going to explore the complete traditional process of making giant cast iron woks in China, an ancient industry that continues to survive in the modern world. If you enjoy discovering massive manufacturing processes and unique traditional industries like this, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. And let me know in the comments, would you dare stand next to molten iron heated to over 1,500 degrees Celsius, like these workers do every single day?